Whether you're in class, traveling, or just learning Spanish for fun, today you'll learn how to ask for help, say thank you, get someone's attention, and more. Hola estudiantes! Welcome to Spanish at a Glance. Today we're learning polite expressions and useful Spanish phrases for everyday situations. Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to sound polite in Spanish is by using por favor and gracias. Por favor means please. Gracias means thank you. Listen and repeat after me. Por favor. Gracias. Muy bien. When someone says gracias, you can respond with de nada, which means you're welcome. Another important term is perdón. Perdón can mean excuse me or sorry. For example, perdón, necesito ayuda. Excuse me, I need help. Necesito ayuda is a very useful phrase when needing someone's help. Now, let's learn another super useful phrase. ¿Cómo se dice? Means, how do you say? If you want to ask a Spanish speaker how to say something in Spanish, you can use this question by inserting the English term. Here's an example. ¿Cómo se dice book in español? This means, how do you say book in Spanish? Someone may respond by saying, se dice libro. You say libro. This one, of course, is very useful in a classroom environment. ¿Puedo ir al baño? May I go to the restroom? But what if you don't know where the restroom is located? That's when you ask this question. ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the restroom? Here are a few more useful phrases. You absolutely need these phrases if you get lost in conversation or confused. No entiendo. I don't understand. No hablo mucho español. I don't speak much Spanish. If someone speaks too fast, try these. Puede repetir? Can you repeat? Or más despacio, por favor. More slowly, please. Learning all these phrases and expressions can help you become a more confident language learner. Great job, estudiantes. Buen trabajo. Now you know polite Spanish expressions and useful phrases that you can use every day. So keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you on the next Spanish at a Glance. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Thanks for watching. Hasta luego.